Welcome, kindergarten, to our sight word video number 2. We're going to go ahead and get started here. If you have access to a printer and want to print out the worksheet, go ahead. If you are just following along with me, get your fingers ready. We're going to go ahead and get started. So here we go. Our word for today, how many letters does it have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome job. Do we have any tall letters? We do. What are they? Just the letter T. Good job. Do we have any small letters? Yes. We have 2. What are they? U and S. Awesome job. Do we have any basement letters? Yes, the letter J. Good. So we have J, U, S, T. It's a 4-letter word. This word is just. Let's swipe read the word just on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, just. Good. Let's do it one more time. 1, 2, 3, just. Way to read it. Let's move on and get out our pencils. If you're following along with the video, you may put your finger in the air to get ready to skywrite. Here we go. Let's write the word just. J, U, S, T. Wow, work. Very nice. Let's swap out those crayons or those pencils for a yellow crayon. So you should have your yellow crayon ready. And if you're following along with the video, you should have your clapping hands ready because we're going to clap it to see how many syllables are in the word just. Ready? Here we go. Just. Let's try it again. Just. Good. How many times did we clap when we said the word just? We clapped once. So we're going to color in our yellow, with our yellow crayon, our one bubble here. And today, when coloring in the word just, I'm going to use green. So if you want to match me at home, you can get out your green crayon. And let's color. J, U, S, T. Good job. If you're following along with me, please check my work. Give me a thumbs up if you think we're ready to move on. If you're working on your worksheet, make sure you swap out your crayons for your pencils. And if you're following along with me, put your finger in the air. We're going to skywrite to trace the word just. Let's do it together. J, U, S, T. Great work. And into the next box here, we're going to spell it. Think about what letter we put here in this basement box. We have 2 small boxes here, so make sure you know what letters go here. And we end with a tall box, so think about what letter you're going to put here. Let's spell the word just. J, U, S, T. Awesome job. Let's find the word just 3 times. If you have your worksheet, you may begin circling. If you are following along with me, you can circle up against your computer screen or your iPad screen. Make sure you find the word just 3 times. All right, I'm going to circle on mine. Just. Awesome job. And lastly, let's say the word. Who did you tell it to? Mom, dad, brother and sister, grandma, grandpa? You can say it to me. On the count of 3, 1, 2, 3, just. Good. Check mark in the box or check mark in the air if you're following along on the video. Awesome work today, friends. Again, this word is J-U-S-T. The word is just. Stay tuned tomorrow for a new sight word. All right, enjoy the rest of your day, friends.